Hello traders, I'm going to talk about the software, the trades the software took from March 29th to April 1st. I'm not covering March 28th because March 28th was a bank holiday in the European markets, so the liquidity wasn't there. You're better off not trading during bank holidays. So March 29th was the first official day the markets were trading. So let's crack on. So and I'll dissect each trade. So we get a buy signal March 29th, and let me just fold this a little bit just to show you something. So I'll zoom out. Look at the entry, guys. Software takes an entry here, unfortunately gets stopped out because of 30-point stop loss, and then rallies 300 points. It carries on. Look, watch. Just zoom out a little bit more, go back. So the entry was there, and then over 320 points were on the table if we didn't get stopped out. Unfortunately we did. It's very unfortunate when that happens. The good thing is the software picked up another buy here and we got a 90 points. Okay, now let me just highlight something yet again, guys. These are default settings. You do not have to use your default settings. I'd recommend for now we keep the 30 points, because if we're wrong then we just get out, and unfortunately we got stopped out here for a 30-point stop, but very unfortunate because that rallied, as you can see, and our default take profit is 90 points at the moment, but you can change these settings, guys. Okay, so we get a nice winner there, 90 points, but we also get these two losers, 30 and 30. Okay, now again, guys, variables can be modified. If you see that the price is going one direction only, which is up, you could say to the software, don't take any sell trades for me, just turn it off, turn the sell trades off. I'm just leaving all the default settings for us, but sometimes a bit of common sense, just look at the market saying, well, hang on a minute, it's just going one way. It's not, there's no look, the price is just going up and up and up, and you're saying to the software, can you take sales for me as well, please? That's up to you. It will take sell trades as well, and sometimes those sales can be perfectly adequate, but this sell here was 20 points in profit and then went off to take a loss, and then this one here was again profitable, then took a loss. Up to you. These variables can be changed. So let's continue. So let's take this. Let's say we're at this point here. We know we've taken one winner, one big winner, which could have been a much bigger winner, unfortunately. But we've got one big winner and two losses. We're up, but we've got two losses here that we need to make back. So the next winner that comes in, we probably want to be looking to try and recoup the losses. So let me zoom in slightly. Go to the end here, and we get a sell here, right? So we've had two small sells that both lost, so we're down 60 points. We then get a sell again late at night, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so we've had two losses, which could have been avoided because we could have just turned off the sell option, but that's all in hindsight. So let's just say we've kept the default settings, we've had two losses, and then overnight the software predicted a sell. I don't know where you are in the world when you're watching this video, but 50 points, well actually 60 something points are on offer then. Now I don't know at this point whether or not the market's going to hold here or what, but sometimes you look at the charts and say, okay, well, we've got a previous support area over here, another one here. Is the market going to hold at this point? Now, it does. But we've had two losses. We could have recouped those losses just on that one trade there. We had an option, a possibility of taking it there. Probably I would have been asleep at that point. But I'm pretty sure if I saw 50 points on the table at this point, knowing I've had two losses, I'd just take that money, just close the trade. And then the software predicts a buy as well. So let me just go. I'll terminate this this video here, and then I'll just continue this trade in the next video, because I like to keep these videos to 5 minutes long. So I'll go on to the next video now.